Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have my CLK here, the w208. This is a 2002 model. I'm just gonna change the wiper blade here. I've got a new one, this one here. It's a Bosch Aero Twin, so AR24U. So this car obviously only has one wiper blade, and the way it fits is basically we need to press on the clips on the sides here and open this little cover, and then the arm will go through the hole here and go into there. So basically that's what we basically need to do. Here's the arm. If you grab on the sides here and push these bits in, you'll be able to lift that like so. Then I'm just going to pull the arm up a little bit here and try to get this blade back like so, and then get it out. So be really careful. Obviously if you're using your two hands, a lot easier, but not to drop this arm onto here. It could crack the windscreen, so just be careful with that. As I said, don't drop it. So in my case I may just get the old blade to sit. Just put it there for now in case that drops, and get the new one. It's already open. Fit the metal bit through the center. Okay, let's get it straight. It up in here, so, and then we can hook it in there. So it just literally hooks in there all the way in, and then we can clip that back on. And that's it. You have a new wiper blade. So obviously you have to get the correct one for your vehicle. Not sure this is the same design for all the CLKs, but if it is, then obviously you can go ahead and order the same part as I did. Otherwise you'll have to give your registration to the shop you're buying the blade from, and then they can get it for you. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.